good evening, family, friends, and foe. And I'm Pastor Kevin of Living the Love Walk. And welcome to Living the Love Walk. It Ain't Easy Bible Talk Radio Show. Tonight I'm here to make a special enlightening announcement. Commencing July the 11th, we will be doing our show live on Thursdays at 6 p.m. And guess what? God has also blessed us with an hour show. Not a half hour, but a full hour. So get ready and get ready to be ready. And also, we will be, this is going to enable us to be able to have some guests on the show. So we just want to definitely make this announcement that commencing July the 11th at 6 p.m. on Thursdays, we will be live starting the show at that time. And so at this time, I want to thank you once again for fellowshipping in the spirit with us this evening. You have just listened and you just heard the voice of Corona. So until then, let us walk like Jesus. Let's have a heart like David and a ministry like Paul. And once again, like always, I'm signing off from my heart, off my lips. Peace, family, love.